Hello friends, welcome to the DS Capital. Today I am going to demo my bot, my trading bot, how it works and what are the options available in the bot. So first of all, let me restart it. So once you connect your bot with your Angel account, you will get all these type of options. Here I can check my details. So my detail basically give me my Telegram ID and my username. That's it. Then I have today's PNL balance. I can check my balance. Let's see what is the balance. Let me just log into my Angel account. So as you can see, this is my Angel account. My ID is N59636. And if I check my broker details, so here ID is this. I can check my balance. Hmm, there's no- So ledger balance is like zero or negative. These are the orders which I placed through bot in the morning. Let's try to place some order. Suppose I want to buy Infosys. So what I can say is buy Infi, because Infi is a symbol for Infosys, and say I want to buy 12 quantities. If I enter this command, it means I want to buy 12 Infosys at the current market price. So you can see my market order for Infosys pushed to Angel at this time. Since today is Saturday, of course, this order is going to be rejected by Angel. But what you can see is, as you can see, this order is rejected because I don't have enough balance. And if you say 12, how much amount I need to buy Infosys at a price of 12 is this amount. Let me refresh. I can see Infosys trade over here, and if I go to and check the details, you can see 256.54 and 256.54. So exactly at the same time, like this, when the order pushed through your bot, exactly at the same time it was received by Angel, and this order got rejected because of obvious reasons. Now, suppose if you are in the live market, this order would have been executed if you have enough balance. Now, let's try another thing. Suppose I don't want to buy Infosys at current price, but I want to buy at some 1350. So, let's see if it works. Yeah, so now you can see I want to buy at particular my price, not the market price. Then it has to be a limit order. It's not going to be the market order. And for 1315 to 12, I need 16,200 rupees. So if I say 12 into 1350, this is 16,200, and I can confirm the trade. So now this is the limit order push on the Angel Broking, and you can see 258.20, 258.20 exactly at the same time. So now with this process, you can buy market price, you can buy at your own limit order. Not just about buying. Suppose you are having some holding, you can also sell, right? So I say sell Yes Bank. I want I want to sell 9 quantities, and I want to sell at currently the price is around 15 or 16. Let's say 17. I say sell Yes Bank 9 at rupees 17, and let's say So of course I did not hold any of the account, any of the Yes Bank shares. That's why the order is rejected. And if I say and I go and check, we sell Yes Bank, of course, the order quantity exceeds the total portfolio value and it got rejected. So this is the basic functionality for the bot. This is not just it. So you can check your balance. You can check your live positions. So live positions is basically if you do intraday, you will get all those positions along with profit and losses. If you say you want to check your portfolio holdings, so what you will get is whatever holdings you have, and if there is no holding, no holding will be there. And suppose you want to check for your portfolio value, again since I don't hold any holding, so the portfolio value will not come. So this is the basic functionality of the bot, and that's it. Thank you.